Well, this is what I'm doing today. This battery has to go to here. Got the battery, now let's go. I also have the go-kart out here. I pumped up that tire somewhat, so now it's better. Now get the battery in it. Reverse. been sitting for, I want to say 5 months, no, 3 months, 4 months, and runs pretty good. You know, I just needed the second battery, It has old gas in it. I put a bit of fresh gas in, but yeah. Now we're gonna get ready for cutting grass. So as that charges, and my dog is a dog, as you can see here, this belt is flipped. This is actually what side is that? That should be the bottom or something, I think. So it's flipped, so we need to reflip it the other way. Easy enough, right? Seems there's something going on. I don't know. Whatever. But yeah. Yeah, it's riding on the top. As you can see, it runs. I'm making a video. Anyways, it runs, and it runs. Next week, there'll be the video on the go-kart. Yeah. Subscribe, like. Until next time, check out some other videos. And I'll see you next time.